YouTube channel, Shoei here again, and today we're going to be doing a one-on-one makeup lesson. So I decided to actually put a video together where I'm discussing with you guys what are like little tips and tricks that you can do to enhance your natural beauty if you're going out to run errands and you don't want to look tired, or you want to have a little bit of, you want to cover up a little bit of your imperfections. So we're gonna get into that in this video, but before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. We talk all beauty here, lifestyle and fitness once in a while, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications on when I'm dropping a new video. So you guys may be hearing my stepson upstairs because he's doing his virtuals. Let's get right into it. So this isn't going to be like one of those makeup tutorials where I'm gonna look like I have makeup, obviously. It's not gonna be nothing crazy like that for the girls who don't really wear makeup a lot, but you kind of want to cover up certain things, maybe bags under the eyes, maybe some acne marks and stuff. And I don't have too many dark circles under my eyes, but I do like to brighten up a little bit underneath this area just to look a little bit more alive. As you guys know, I love the butter bar. The butter bar is my thing, and I will be linking below like what my regular routine is for every day, just in case if you guys are curious. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my skin. Now I normally do not prime my face. Everybody asks me what primer do I use. I have oily skin. I have had so many bad experiences with primers that I just don't do it to myself anymore, but I make sure that I always moisturize my skin. So I've already washed my my face, I toned, so I'm gonna go in with the serum. This is the Melanin Serum Skin Nourishing Serum, and this has SPF in it. I absolutely love this stuff. So I only use a drop. I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna press it into my skin. I love this stuff too because it just gives me a very nice glow. So for the days that I don't want to go out like with makeup at all, like I'm talking about no makeup at all, I always use this serum. It's really nice. It just gives you an overnight really glow, and I do keep a couple of extra bottles for my clients. My clients absolutely love this stuff. It smells so good, and the glow that it gives you, no matter how mattifying your foundation is, it's gonna give you a beautiful natural glow. I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer, and this is from the Butter Bar. This is the Aloe Papaya Moringa moisturizer. This one is great for normal to oily skin, although I feel like all skin types can use this, but this is actually really good, especially if you have oily skin. It doesn't make you more oily than you already are, and it does control the oils. Also, one cool thing about this moisturizer is that this moisturizer is a very smooth exfoliator. Because it has aloe in it, over time you're going to see all your acne marks or hyperpigmentation eventually fade away, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I moisturize my face, looks nice and moisturized. First thing that I'm gonna go in with is my concealer. So normally I use foundation. You can use foundation instead of concealer if you want to, but this is the foundation that I always use. This is the Super Stay. Everybody always asks me. This is Super Stay by Maybelline. Super affordable. The longevity of this foundation is amazing, and the coverage is wonderful. Like so good. Like you can cover almost anything with this, sis. Concealer that I'm going to be using is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer from L'Oreal, another drugstore brand favorite. Now, one thing that I will say about this concealer in particular is that this concealer is very moisturizing, very hydrating. So I would suggest that if you do have oily skin, either go with the Super Stay or go ahead and use a setting powder or your preference of concealer. I'm just using this one, and I'm using it in the color 415. A little bit under my eyes right here, just a tiny bit, and I'm gonna put a couple of little dabs right here, and I'm gonna let that sit for a little, and I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of my foundation, nothing too much, and I'm only putting it on this side of my face because this side is not as problematic, but I am gonna put a little on wherever I see a little bit of imperfection. I'm just gonna put it like wherever I see imperfections, like right in this area right here, I see a little bit of imperfections. So I'm gonna use a little right here, a little bit right here, and a little bit right here, and also a little bit on the sides of my mouth. For some reason I feel like this is a dark area for me. Like, it's so odd because I've never noticed that till like I'm filming this video now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a brush, and this is just a e.l.f. concealer brush, and as you guys can see, you can kind of see that area already brightening and looking a little bit more even. Another good thing about doing this to kind of perfect a little bit of your imperfections is that you can also cover up redness. So if you guys notice, when I put the serum on, you can tell that my skin is a little orangey. It's a little orangey. I have a little bit of redness. I have a very neutral undertone, so I do experience redness sometimes. And so like this kind of diminishes that redness. See, I have no makeup anywhere else on my face, and I'm just spreading the concealer just a little tiny bit, like just a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit up here, and that's about it. Obviously I want my face to look all even, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some setting powder, and this setting powder is from ACC Cosmetics. I'm gonna be listing all the products down below, but ACC Cosmetics has some of the best setting powders in my opinion for women of color. I really love their stuff. I have it in tons of different colors. Again, I have different colors because I have clients that I do their makeup, so I'm just going ahead all around, and I want my face to look a little bit more even. So I'm just gonna even put some up here on my forehead, like very nice light dusting. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let that set, because of course you want your makeup to set. It's not gonna look like this the whole time. Now, certain parts of your face, it's almost irrelevant to go ahead and put makeup on, just because it's like you're wearing a mask for the most part. Wherever you go, you're wearing a mask. But I do always like to enhance underneath my eyes, because I feel like, you know, your eyes is what people are really seeing. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and shade my eyebrows very lightly. I am not highlighting underneath my eyebrows either. I'm just shading them in because my eyebrows are very sparse. If you have full eyebrows, you can skip this step, but I have really sparse eyebrows, and I feel like sometimes I look pretty weird. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shade them in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just line the bottom of my brows first, like this, and I'm gonna line the other part. And again, this is another one of my drugstore favorites. This is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and I'm using the color Espresso, which is a very dark brown. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna line the top to connect my brows. So just like that, and then I'm just gonna lightly stroke, not put a lot of pressure on my pencil, just lightly stroke and brush out. I like to brush out the colors so that it blends into my brows. Another reason why I like to lightly shade my eyebrows in just a little bit is because my eyebrows, you guys, I have my eyebrows tattooed underneath my shading. So I got it a really long time ago. I got it almost 10 years ago, and now it's red, so it's kind of awkward walking around with red eyebrows and my hair is black, so it's just really weird. So I just lightly like to lightly shade in my brows a little. So I'm going to do the same step on this side. It's really light, really simple, nothing crazy. A little bit of the setting powder, and I'm gonna put it on top of my just right here on top of my eye because I feel like my eyes are a little oily today. I'm gonna grab my Colossal Maybelline mascara, so another one of my favorites from the drugstore, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my eyelashes, of course, because I'm not wearing eyelashes. So I want to bring my eyelashes out a little. My eyelashes are pretty short, so I doubt that it's, I mean, you can kind of see the difference. But my eyelashes are really short. I don't really have like a lot of them either. So, you know, we work with what we can. But I absolutely love this mascara. This mascara, I like it because it doesn't, it does last, but it's not the type of mascara to stick to your eyelashes and just stay there forever, and then you have like a whole clump of mascara. So I absolutely love this mascara. I've been using this particular one from Maybelline for about a year now, and I'm always buying this one. It's one of my favorite ones. And then I'm just gonna lightly wiggle a little underneath right here because I'm not wearing eyeliner, but I want my eyes to kind of stand out a little. Gonna go ahead and put on some lip gloss. So another one of my favorite, I swear, Maybelline, y'all need to call me, okay? Because y'all be taking sis's coins. Like, I love Maybelline. So Maybelline, this is their Lifter lip gloss. This is it has hyaluronic acid, which is really nice for aging lips, but it's supposed to make your lips look a little fuller. This is their Lifter gloss, and the color that I'm wearing, which is my favorite, is Topaz. So this is it right here. It has a little tiny bit of glitter in it, which is cute, but it's like this peach color and it's almost clear. Like, this is why I love this. Look at that, you guys. Super duper cute. So this is what I'm talking about. This is a really simple, nice little makeup to enhance your natural beauty. You don't have to really do much, and it's so crazy because this is not what I'm used to doing. Like, I'm very extra, but this is like my go-to look when I'm just trying to just get by the day without looking a hot mess. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, and if you haven't done so, hit the bell also so you get notifications on when I'm dropping a new video. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at peraltaknowsbest. I will see you guys soon. Bye.